So hello all of you, welcome back. After a span of 6 months, I'm uploading this video. Okay, so sorry for that, and thanks to all the subscribers who remains with me, despite I do not upload it continuously or I have taken a break from this Python series. So sorry to them, and most thank you to them who remains with me till now. Okay, and I have so you will remain with me throughout the journey of this series and many more to come. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. I have stopped. Just yesterday only, I have seen that I have stopped over variables topic. I have discussed over what are the variables, and then the some of the operators I have discussed like arithmetic and logical. Today we are going to discuss more on operators. We can say in operators, I have mentioned the topics that is shorthand operator, in operator, and chaining operators. Okay, we will go through step by step, and we will try to understand it with a real life examples. Okay, so don't worry, remain with me. I will guide you. Okay, so the first topic of the discussion is what are the shorthand operators. Okay, I will explain you. You can read this theory. Okay, I will explain you in other way also. So basically, shorthand operators are the it's a kind of arithmetic operators we can say, which uses the combination of equal to sign and or we can say arithmetic operator. Yeah, it just it just uses the combination of equal to sign and any arithmetic operator besides that, like plus equal to minus equal to. Okay, so you can see here like this. This the combination of such operators are called as shorthand operators. Okay? So why they are called as shorthand operators? Because they shorten our syntax. Okay, particular syntax. I will tell you which syntax. Okay. So first of all, shorthand operators are the operators which make our life easy. Okay, I will explain you with code. Okay, wait a minute. Just a minute. Here it is. So you can clearly see here that I have mentioned count equals to 0. Okay, have defined this variable count as a 0. Then I'm going incrementing this count variable by 1 every time. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times I have incremented this count. Okay, so the output must be 4. Okay, that's the basic, or we can say the basic programmer or basic student also know that the output will be the 4. But यहाँ अलग क्या कर रहे हैं हम, यहाँ यहाँ हम अपनी लाइफ इजी कर सकते हैं इससे भी ज्यादा. कैसे? Like here we are using count variable number of 2 times in the same statement. Okay, this makes our life more hectic and more tedious, we can say. So for that, to make programmers life easy, we use what we say shorthand operators. How? Let's first see the output of this code. Okay, obviously the output for this code will be 4, and if I do certain changes, like if I remove this count from here. Okay, and after that I have just let's say the output is 4. Okay, so instead of writing count more times or using that variable number of times, repetitive times, what can do, I can use, yeah, here shorthand operators. Okay, yeah, so here output will be again 4. What I have done, I have, instead of writing count number of times, I have reduced the number of count, what we can say the use of count variable. The statement here plus equals to states that first add count in 1, or we can say add 1 in count variable, then store that value in count variable. Okay, that's the simple. The way, so it's making our life easy. Okay, the whatever I have mentioned here points, like it enhance the readability. Okay, we can read it easily, or we can say it is easy to read, efficient in code writing. Okay, because see what I have written using shorthand operators such as this, we can streamline the coding practices by minimizing the repetitive syntax. Okay, whatever the syntax I'm repeating here, like I'm repeating the word count again and again. And it is of course time saving. Okay, so the next, what we can do, the next question arises in your mind: is it only valid for the plus sign? No, we can use it for the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We will see it one by one here. So here, first of all, I have mentioned here about division. Okay, so what it is doing, it is taking count value as 10, then dividing that count value by 2 and storing it again in count. Okay, so that's the thing, that 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Now count equals to 5. Now I have written here conventional statement that if someone who doesn't know what is shorthand operators, he will use this syntax. Okay, so he is using count again and again. Of course, now count equals to 5. and after 5 divided by 2, value will be 2.5. That's all. So the example if I want to give regarding this will be regarding, suppose you go out with your friends, if you decided to go out to eat golgappe. Okay, if you decided आज golgappe खाते, so the friend, after eating 2 to 3 golgappes, your friend asks, भाई कितने हुए तेरे? So you started counting, bro. 1 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 3. Okay, 3 हुए, 3 खा गए, बहुत खा लिया, so आज तो डाइट के बैंड बज गए. But certainly you can say मैंने तो एक और खा लिया, लास्ट टाइम से एक और खा लिया. Means I am trying to say that instead of repeating the golgappe each time while counting, you can say that last time से एक ज्यादा खा लिया. Okay, लास्ट से एक ज्यादा खा लिया, मैंने तो एक और ज्यादा खा लिया. Okay, so this is the simple way I can explain it with a real example. But you can say, so that's the use of you can say shorthand operator. The next topic is in operators. So what are the in operators? In operators basically used for searching anything we can search. Okay, anything we can search, for that we can use in operators. Okay, like I will give you an example here. Like I'm searching here this syntax. Okay, this word in this syntax, or we can say in I'm searching this string in this string. That's simple. Suppose you are going for a journey in train, and chart is prepared, or we can say results are announced. You are searching for your name in that chart. Okay. So if when you started to searching it, what you do? You just search for. Suppose I'm searching for Mama. So I will search for, is there anything? I don't search for my whole name like Vidhan Basmi. I will only start to search for keyword like is Vidhan. Wherever I see it, I will just say, yeah, I have found it in this row. Okay, what you can say. Or you have noticed that when I search something in my PC, suppose I'm searching certain thing in my C drive, so I have just put, like I have saved some file regarding my certificate, internship certificate. So I just write my CDAC certificate. I don't need to put certificate word there. As soon as I put CDAC, the computer or the SQL will retrieve this file. Okay. Certainly here, this is searching for Vidhan in this string, and this is also searching for Vidhan in this string. Of course, it is available in this string. It is not available in this string, and the value of this in operator will be always in boolean. Okay, true or false, 0 or 1. So here it is this Vidhan is available in this string, so it is true. Here it is not available, so it is false, as is evident. The real life example I can say, suppose let it be, it will be video will be long in that. So next example is chaining operator. The best example for this operator is, suppose you decided to go to certain pub. Okay, decide कर लिया कुछ pub में जाते हैं आज. So you go there. You the first step while entering, you meet bouncers. So bouncers ask about your identity. तो आइडेंटिटी क्या बोलते हैं? अब तुम्हारे साथ तुम्हारा फ्रेंड, अब तुम बाउंसर को जानते हो, तुम्हारा फ्रेंड को नहीं जानते, तो बाउंसर पूछता है इसका क्या है, तो इसका क्या आइडेंटिटी क्या है, तो अपना नेम बताता है. तो बॉक्सर पूछता है एज क्या है, सो वो बोलता है 22. ओके, सिंगल है, मैरिड है या कुछ है, सिंगल है. Then only he gets entry in that certain pub. Okay, so like that in chaining operator, what we are doing, it is a combination of relational operator. We can say here we are using 2 to 3 relational operator in one operation only. Like x, I have defined x as 5, and I am using 2 relational operator. That it must be greater than 1 and it must be less than 10. Like that, age must be to enter that pub, age must be greater than 21, or we can say it must be he or she must be single, or we can and we can he or she should have certain what we can say driving license or anything. Certain criteria is there to enter the pub. Okay. So after that, after meeting all the criteria, only I can enter to the pub. Like here, if if I fail to I fail to satisfy this operator, I will even I though satisfy that 5 is greater than 5 is less than 10. But if I doesn't satisfy this relation, the whole if but here if the person is single, but वो बंदा 21 age के नीचे है, then he will not allow in that pub. Okay, like that, if 5 is not like greater than certain value, I have put there instead of 5, instead of 1, if I put 6, then the whole print statement will print the value of false. Okay, let's say, yeah, 5 is between 1 and 10. 5 is between 10 and 20. No, it's false. Okay. 5 into 10, 50. 50 is less than 100 and greater than 10. Okay. 5 is between 5 is less than 10 and 5 is less than equal to 9. Okay. Here 5 is equal to 5 and 5 is greater than 5. That's why all the values or all the output is true except the second one. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this session. I will continue to upload now. I will try to. Okay, I will definitely upload all I can see 10 to 15 videos in 15 days consistently, and I will try to finish this playlist within 2 months. Okay, thank you for being there. Thank you.